Got the city plow and snow, and the Gangstalker neighbor in a no parking zone. They have changed the sign recently, so it's not labeled as a no parking zone. Now he's pretending to be nice, because they're always monitoring me, and he knows I'm standing out front filming him being a fucking asshole. Hey man, don't park there, that's a no parking zone.
It's not my yard, it's my son, I know. I just told him I just arguing you.
But please don't park there in the future.
Who are you?
I live here.
Go fuck off.
No, you fuck off. You're a Gangstalker terrorist piece of shit. Fuck you, man. I know your car's got cameras, microwave weapons, you piece of shit terrorist. Fuck you.